Assalamu alaikum. Hello again, guys, and let's begin with the second video in this course, and let's talk about the variables in TypeScript. So in TypeScript we have three types of variables, which are let and var and const. Okay, let me remove this one first. So let's learn the difference between all of them. So let me call this one first name, and I will say it is Omar. And for this one, I'm going to call it the second name, and I will give it to, sorry, let me call it last name, and I will say it is Babli this way. And for the const, I will call it age, and I will give it 29. And let me print this one. So to print anything in TypeScript, we say console.log, and now we are going to give the value that we need to log. So I'm going to say my name is space, and I need to concatenate. I need to parse this one here. So I'm going to click plus first name plus again double quotation. I will leave a space between the first name and the last name, and I'm going to add the last name again plus, and here, and my age is, and I'm going to parse the age here as well. So let's print this one. As you can see here, it says my name is Omar Babli and my age is 29. Let me clear the logs. Okay, so let's do some magic here. I need to give another value other than this one here. So I'm going to use it again, but I will give it a new value. It is Omar, but all in lowercase. And last name, similar to it, El Babli, and all in lower cases. And here I'm going to try to add a new age, let's say 30, and I'm going to print this one, but in a different way this time. I will use the template literals. To use it, we need to use this symbol, and I'm going to say my name is, and I'm going to do it this way, and I will add the first name space, and here I'm going to type in last name space, and my age is similar to it. I will add my age here, and let me run this one. When I run it, I will find an error here. It says cannot assign to age because it is a constant. So we can't assign a new value to a constant. When I need something to have just one value and it will never change, I need to assign it as a constant. But if I want to change it later on, I can use let or var. And let me try to run this one again. As you can see here, it has printed my name is Omar Babli and my age is 29, and again it printed again.